8. The conduct of the members of the bench holding the trial as well as deciding the appeal is fully demonstrative of bias. Mr. Justice Maulvi Mushtaq Hussain, the then Chief Justice of the Lahore High Court, Lahore, was known to be biased against Shaheed Zulfiqar Bhutto due to being superseded. The entire legal fraternity and judicial community was aware of the temperament of Mr. Justice Maulvi Mushtaq Hussain, who never concealed his bias and hatred against Shaheed Zulfiqar Bhutto. It will not be out of place to mention here that international community showed complete no confidence in the judgment in issue by defeating Mr. Justice Anwarul Haq for the slot of International Court of Justice, whereas Mr. Justice Dora Patel, one of the authors of dissenting judgment, was going to be elected unopposed, whose nomination had been withdrawn maliciously by the then caretaker government, who had come into power after toppling the democratically elected government of Muhtarama Benazir Bhutto Shaheed.
Who was the Prime Minister in this caretaker government?
I believe it was Mr. Ghulam Mustafa Jatoi.
Are you sure?
1990, if I'm not wrong.
Was there any application made to the Lahore High Court showing no confidence in the then Chief Justice?
The record reflects that several applications were made. 9. Admission of former Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mr. Justice retired Naseem Hassan Shah, on print and electronic media that the decision of Shaheed Zulfiqar Bhutto's appeal was under coercion does not leave any doubt in the mind of a sane and prudent person that it was a judicial murder which was decided and executed by dictator.
On what basis is this statement being made? Where is this admission?
My lord, there were 2 interviews which were given by late Mr. Justice, retired Naseem Hassan Shah. One was, I believe, in 1996, but the other, more recent one in 2009.
Have you filed the transcript of the interview?
My lord, I have to file.
To whom?
It was given, it was a television interview which he had recorded, which he had given, and it was also reported in the press.
Which channel or which person?
My lord, I will have to place it on record.
Mr. Farooq Naik, do you know?
Farooq Naik would absolutely. But I am aware that there was an interview.
Mr. Iftikhar of Geo News.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।